What's going on, everybody? Mr. C Grown for B, back at it again with another unboxing. This one here is the SF2000 from Spider Famer. So it got some nice little LED. As you guys seen, I did use their smaller one in a 2x2 tent. Did really awesome. Did perform really nice. Can't complain out of it. They do say you're supposed to get about 2.5 grams per watt. I did almost half of it. I almost did about 1.5 grams. I did get probably about almost, I want to say it was about 5 ounces for that little 2x2. But you still get the same meanwhile driver. I had the dimmer. You've seen the dimmer. It used to be on the back of this, the driver here. But this guy is just a little one. It's only a 200 watts. I think it's pushing, what's it say, 202 watts. I think people tested it about 203 watts. So not too bad. Still got the same equipment to hang it up with, everything like that. It is rated to be, I'm gonna say it was a 2x3 flowering spectrum. So not too bad. We're gonna stick it in my little in the flowering room in the walkway. That's where we're gonna put this guy. But it does have a couple different lighting spectrums that I liked about it. That's what drew me to this to the light in the first place. It got the warm light, that's 3000 Kelvin, and then it's got the blue light, the 5000. And then I got two different red lights. One is a 660 nanometers, and then the IR one, that little guy right there. There's little ones in there, so there's a few different spectrums in this all-in-one light. So that's where you're getting most of the lighting spectrum from all these different lights in here. But we're gonna take it over to the flower room and we'll hang it up, and I'll keep you guys posted, give you guys my honest opinion on how it is and what I think of it. Like I was saying, the little one did pretty good, so I'm hoping just to put this here. I don't have much room, so I'm just gonna put it here in the walkway right there, right next to the CO2 generator. Got a little eye hook here. We're gonna screw it up in there. It doesn't get hot at all. Generator's not gonna produce much heat right there. I got the fan blowing on them too, so it's not gonna beat it up too much. But it does got the water resistant coating on it too, so it's pretty nice. Spray it, you don't have to worry about getting it wet or anything like that. I don't know if I would soak it or take a bath with it, but you got the same 110 plug. But we'll get this hung up and I'll show you guys what I think, and I'll keep you guys posted. And if you guys do interested in buying this, use that discount code Mr.C. It's just plain old simple, MR.C. I like these little ratchets. I always use the ratchets at the bottom, but it's pretty simple. You just click and release it to higher it and lower it. But you guys let me know what you guys think. You guys try it out. Like I said, if you guys use that coupon code, get you a little bit of discount. And thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Stay tuned and I'll keep you guys posted. Much love. Keep growing on. Look at, there's the little IR one right there in the middle of the spider.